What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's AG and I'm back with another video. Today we are trying out the UK Black Girl Makeup Edition. And I'm trying this out with new techniques that I've recently learned and I wanted to share with you guys. So grab your foundation and apply that on your face. And after applying that, use your sponge, a wet sponge. If you want a skin-like finish, you want to use a sponge because this is what's going to give you that skin-like finish. And if you want an airbrush finish, you use a brush. So it's very simple. Skin-like, sponge, airbrush, brush. And just blend and blend and blend that into your face. So now we're going in with contour and concealer, and to conceal we are going to conceal underneath our eyes like every other girl would do. They would want that lifted and snatched look. So we are going to create a concealer that is going to give us that lifted and snatched elevated look. You don't want your face looking droopy and sloppy, you want that lifted look. And I'm applying it around my smile area just to soften that part, and you'll see why I do this later on in the video. I am contouring the sides of my nose as well and at the tip of my nose too. So for someone like me who has more bigger cheeks and not really profound cheekbones, I like to take my contour a little bit higher, close to my under eye area, because this is what's going to give me that lifted look. If I apply it anywhere lower than that, it's going to make my face look droopy, and I do not want a droopy look. So now to brush, I am using a brush to brush and tap in the concealer into my skin. Like I said earlier on, if you want an airbrush look, use a brush, and if you want a skin-like finish, use a sponge. So why not mix it? We are mixing it and we are going to create that skin-like airbrush look. And using a brush, it will just make the product stay in place rather than using a sponge for your concealer. So I would advise use a brush for concealer and sponge for more so foundation and setting powder and all that stuff. So we are just tapping, and yo, look at how snatched my face look. Look at how snatched we are looking. Yeah. So right now I'm blending in the contour and I'm just tapping that on my skin. Okay, I know that it's a lipstick shade. Please don't come at me, just watch the video and enjoy. And now I'm going to apply concealer, a lighter shade of concealer underneath my eyes. This will help to brighten the area that we concealed earlier on. And I'm also going to apply on my eyelid as well. To blend the blush, I am using my sponge to tap, and I also like a high blush, so I'm going to blend that and take it higher onto my forehead. To blend our concealer, we're going to use our brush like we did before, and we're just going to tap. So what you want to do is, for your concealer, you want to make sure that you wait for about 2 to 3 minutes and let it get tacky before you start blending. That way the products are going to dry on your face and it's not going to wipe off like when it's still wet. So today I'm not going to set my face like I normally do. I'm going to tap in the powder Later on, I'm going to set close to my nose bridge, and that's the only area which I'm going to set and allow to bake. So I'm just tapping the powder all over my face and I'm blending that in with my sponge. So right now I use my brush to tap in the setting powder close to my nose bridge, and I just tap that in and let it bake. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost. So for brows, I really don't like doing much to my brows these days. So I'm just going to fill them out with my brow filler, and I'm just going to draw that with this. I think I used the paint brush for this, but you can use any winged brush that you have. So I'm just filling out my brows and making them look much fuller. Then I'll brush them out to reduce the harsh lines and make them look much natural. So I'm going to use my sponge to apply this because I couldn't find the applicator that came with my finishing powder. So I'm just dabbing this all over my face. Everything I used in this tutorial will be linked down in the description box, so you can go check them out. So I'm using my brown eye pencil to draw out this winged eyeliner, and I wanted it to be a soft brown makeup tutorial. So I'm going to apply my mascara first before I apply my lashes. So I'm just going very gently on my lash line. So it got very dark here. I had to change the position. I'm so sorry guys, and I couldn't film how I applied my lashes, but yeah. So for my lips, I'm going in with my brown lip liner, and I'm going to use this to outline my lip very well because this is a brown makeup tutorial. So I'm going to make sure I outline my lip very properly because I want it to be bold and I want it to look nice. So I went in with a brown concealer and I use this as my lipstick, and I apply this all over my lips. I loved how this makeup tutorial turned out. Very pretty, very nice, very warm and subtle, and yeah. After that, I set my face with my makeup spray, and yeah, we're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you. Bye.